Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day because we are 2/3 of the way into moving into my new house. If you're new to this channel, let me catch you up. I just moved from LA to Nashville about 2 months ago. And if you wanna know a little bit more as to why I made the move, I have a video on this channel that I will link in the description box below. I also gave you a tour of the first house that I was living in, as well as a tour of the house that I just bought that is currently being built right now. And if you remember from my last video, I said that I was only at this first place for about 2.5 months. And you guys, my mind is blown that 2 months has already passed. The time has come. My lease on this first place just ended today, and so I actually moved into a new house that I will be staying in until my house is done. It's a lot of moving. But I will say it has helped me be a lot more organized and really prioritize what I actually need. I went by to see my house earlier this week and they just finished all of the siding and the outside is almost completely done. It looks so good. I literally screamed when I rounded the corner because I was so excited and I cannot wait to give you more updates. So today I want to give you a little tour of the place I just moved into. This will be my home for the next 2 months, and hopefully if all stays on schedule and all goes as planned, my next move will be into my house and then I'll be done. You have no idea how much I'm looking forward to finally being done moving. If you like watching house building videos or interior design, or maybe you're going through the process of building a house yourself, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. Because in just a few months, we're gonna hit the ground running and I'm gonna take you through the entire process. So I'm sitting in my new room right now, but this little home is so cute. So let's get on with the tour. All right, here we are. We must take a moment and appreciate this entryway. It is so stinking cute. Love that. We've got a little half bath situation right here. Now welcome to the living room. My roommate Cicely painted this wall green and I think it looks so beautiful. It's so cozy. Got a nice little TV up there. And then check out this spacious kitchen. Oh, she cute. Y'all get ready for all the videos now coming from this kitchen. Got a little coffee, matcha, and tea station here. Even the spices are organized. I love that my roommate has a heart for hosting people. We have so many plates and bowls, so I'm so excited to have fun dinner parties. And y'all, I wish my roommate was here right now. You're gonna have to meet her in one of the next videos because this next thing I'm about to show you is just like music to my ears. It's so amazing. When I saw it, I almost died, and it just makes me love my roommate so much more. Okay, check this out. She got all these matching containers for all of the frozen fruit and vegetables for our smoothies. I mean, a smoothie queen's dream, truly. Even the fridge is so organized and cute. Ugh. I'm obsessed. We're still working on getting a table for here, but right now that's a nice little open space. And then check out this cute little backyard. This is our little backyard. Tiny and cute. And then it has a 2-car garage out back. I am already so in love with this place and I haven't even spent a night here yet. Okay, we're going up the stairs now. This is what the upstairs looks like. We have one more roommate here. She's not here yet. This is my roommate Cicely's room. Washer and dryer in the closet here with some linens and toilet paper. And then here is the bathroom. And finally, we've got my room. Okay, let me show you it from this way. The best part about this room is that I have a bed. After I leave, this is gonna turn into one of the guest rooms, and so she already had this bed in here, which is so nice, because if you know from my last video, you know that I've been sleeping on an air mattress for the last 2 months, which has not been ideal. Got some clothes right here, mostly my tie-dye hoodies, my little workstation, and then closet right here. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. This was 2 of 3. The next one you'll be getting will be the one of my brand new house. I'm so excited. You guys, as soon as the walls get up, I might do an update video because so much progress has been made on the house since I last posted, and I'm just too excited. I want to share it with you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you've been up to. I love learning more about you and your life, and I'm just so thankful to be able to do life with you and have you with me on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next week. Bye.